Malden apple season. How's it going, guys? Today it's raining, so you know what that means. The ground is wet. How's it going, guys? Today I'll be installing new handguards, or I like to call them bark busters. These ones aren't just not doing it for me. They're good for on the road or light trail riding, but I hit trees and I lay down the bike a little bit and I want to be more protected, right? So I'm going to uninstall this and I am going to put these JFG Racing, they're universal guards. I'll put the link in the description. I kind of hoped it was a little bit wider. Yeah, let me just open this up here. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I wish it was a little bit wider. Here's my hand. I kind of like that plain. It doesn't have any logos. Nice. Okay. What's in the bag? Two of these. These are the ends. These go there. A couple of these. Nuts. All right, let's put it together. I guess the idea of this, once you start screwing, it's gonna pull this part in and it's just gonna expand it so it'll lock in as you get tighter, tighter and tighter. So it's gonna spread out. I have to make my hole a little bit bigger, so I gotta stick this inside here, this in here. That. Okay. This. Slide in here. This is going to go in here like that. Oop. Okay. And I'm just going to turn it a little bit to pick up the slack. Taking up. Slide it in. I probably don't need these. Stick this in. Wait a minute. Do I want nuts on the top or nuts on the bottom? There we go. Unscrew this. I guess it goes on this side. Okay. It's coming together. Oh, and this wire's in the way. And the brake lever wire's in the way. Let me just move this a little bit. Okay, I finally got my brake lever where I want it to be, and these brake wires. See, it's not touching. It's not going to chafe. And this clamp over here, when you compress it, looks like it's not going to take up the space. So I'm going to put one of these spaces on the bottom, see if that is going to look better. I just have to tighten it down.
Yeah, it's getting a little tight.
Okay. Alright, go on to the next one.
Nice.
Alright, finally got it where I want it.
Yep.
Now, it's time to do the other side. Okay guys, so I had to cut this, the throttle tube and my grip a little bit. That way it doesn't drag. So when you put this in here like that, you don't want it to drag. Maybe I cut a little bit too much, but that's alright. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. Here is the finished product. I think it looks pretty cherry. Look at that. Very nice. Pretty much have to butcher this side a little bit so it's free.
You can do it.
So can you. Aloha. Okay guys, I was taking another look at this, and this is pretty sharp. So you either want to round this part off with something or cover it with something. So I'm probably gonna look online for something to put like a I don't know what it's called, lost for words, but yeah, I need to put something on there now because I know I'm just gonna hit that and it's gonna ruin my day. So it's just gonna look funny, but it's gonna save my knees or my head or my face or my arms or my whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna block it right now, zip tie it. So yeah, it's sharp. Yeah, I don't want to have a bad day. All right. Aloha.